Well, here we are at the Lake Mineral Wells State Park and Trailway. Here is the state park. Here's the Trailway, the trailhead here at the state park where it connects. The Trailway is about 20 miles from Mineral Wells to Weatherford. Up and back, you're looking at a good 40-mile ride. You're going to pass through a couple of towns that are going to have some supplies if needed. It is a gravel road. It's a great ride. Let's go check it out. The Trailway is in great condition, as you've seen. It's a safe ride. There's a couple of small towns if you need a Snickers bar. Just saying. I did include a couple of bonus sections on this video. There is the Vietnam War Museum right along the trail, and it's an excellent stop. You'll see it here in just a second. Also, downtown Mineral Wells is a good stop. Take lunch, a break, ride by the famous Baker Hotel that's being restored to its original glory. A lot of interesting stories about this hotel. And Mineral Wells came to fame in the 1900s from the minerals found in the water believed to have healing properties. And of course, people came from all over the country. It was a popular health resort town. And then finally, as I make my way back to the state park, check out Penitentiary Hollow. That is a rock climbing section. There's rock formations, and take a little hike if your legs are up for it once you get back to the state park. That's really quite interesting. The Trailway is a fantastic ride. It's got a gentle slope, allows for a good ride between Weatherford and Mineral Wells. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the trail.